next tag is going to be quick and easy, but I want to show you that this is actually tissue paper that I taped to some cardstock, ran it through my inkjet printer, and then just sprayed it quickly with some spray fixative, and now I have printed tissue paper. So I'm going to tear off kind of a random looking little piece here to put on my tag, like so. And I'm going to need to tear it down a little bit to fit on the front. Let's just tear a little bit more off. There. All right. So now I am going to use my Mod Podge in matte, and I could use a brush, but I'm actually going to do this one with my finger. So I'm just going to dip my finger in there, grab that Mod Podge, and go ahead and smear it onto the front of my tag. And we've got enough now. Probably too much now. All right. So I'm going to Mod Podge that tissue down to the front of a piece of colored cardstock, and then I'm just going to go right over the top of it as well to get it to hold down in place. Of course, you could use a brush for this. You could use your glue stick if you don't like getting messy. All right, I feel my tissue paper curling up, and while it's still wet, I am going to take my sentiment and probably just stick it right into the Mod Podge and let the whole thing just dry together. And so we'll come back and take a look at it once it's dry. So to finish my tag off, now that it's dry a little bit, and my tissue paper has wrinkle. I don't even know that you can see it. I can feel it, but it's not affecting the design at all. And I'm just going to go around the edge with a Pitt pen and just do a little stitch drawing. I could have attached the excess that I tore off of the tissue. I looked at that to see what that might look like, and it wasn't bad. So I'm just going around the border, and it's not perfect. It's hand done. So is the tag. And then if I want to step it up a little bit more, I've got a black and white ribbon that I can stick on it. And let's just kind of see how this looks. It might be too big, it might be too much, I don't know. So now I'm just kind of manipulating that ribbon so it's nice and tight, and I will make it a little bit tighter so we don't have such a bump there. I could have gone with something a little smaller, thinner, maybe, but there. What a quick and easy way to finish off a tag, and it really has some character to it. Hope you like this one.